across the table tonight, just coffee getting cold beneath the dim, soft light. And then you leaned in close, a whisper soft and true. Darling, you said, I think I really love you. My heart just skipped a beat, a moment caught in time, a beautiful confession, not a single word was mine. And oh, the silence stretched, a canyon wide and deep. I wanted to respond, a secret I would keep. The words were in my throat, but stuck behind a wall, afraid to say them back, afraid to risk it all. Not because I don't feel something and deep inside my soul, but I'm just not quite ready to give you full control.